I'm so excited. It's about time to check on our muffins. Oh my goodness. I'm kind of scared. Let's see how the experiment went. Ooh, okay. Get this thing out of the way. Oh, this is looking good. Oh, I'm excited. I did something right. Woo-wee! Oh, this looks nice. These are the gluten-free zucchini carrot muffins. Oh my gosh, this is a proud moment. And obviously I need to taste it to see how it turned out, but at least it looks right. Oh, this is so cool. Yay! And since my phone tripod is not set up properly, I don't even know how my image is right now. Who cares? I'm so excited about this though. So, let me see how it tastes, although technically you're supposed to leave it alone for like 5 minutes to cool off. This is so exciting! Just a moment. Oops, gotta turn off the oven. That would help, wouldn't it? Wow. Again, this was from flippindelicious.com. This is the gluten-free carrot and zucchini muffins that I just experimented with. And then I'm reminding you to comment below what you have seen in the store that you wanted to try to make by yourself. Okay? Thanks for tuning in, and let me check on this.